guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make a really quick and easy dream catcher. So it's going to be the Tree of Life. We're making a bunch of them at the minute to decorate our wedding, which we're going to have next year. The wedding's going to be in the garden, and we're upcycling and recycling and making as much stuff as we can from scratch to help save money. So we're going to do a whole series on our channel of how to do DIY, low cost but effective wedding furniture, wedding decorations. So hopefully you guys will find it interesting and get some inspiration from it. So let's get started with the dream catchers. So what you're going to need are some scissors. You can get these round wooden circles from Hobbycraft or off Amazon. They're not very expensive. And then this rope as well. I can't remember the exact thickness of this rope, but we got it off Amazon. It's a string really. You can use it for all kinds of craft projects. And then we've got some beads as well. Again, just off Amazon, super cheap. So what you're going to do to start, you're going to get some of this string, and what I've done is I've just cut and folded it in half like so. So for the length you want, you're going to have to cut more. And then what you're going to do, I've already attached one, you're randomly going to attach your string to your ring. So just do as many as you want all the way across the one half of the circle, the top half. They can be as close together as you want, far apart as you want. It really doesn't matter. What you can also do is you can attach your different beads, whether that be through one piece of the string or both. It's completely up to you. You might just need to grab your scissors to help you pull it through. So you've got a nice bead on there. So there's no real rules to it. You just do what you think looks good. And I'll come back to you once we've got the half of the top circle covered in string. Okay, so as you can see, I've done all the rope around the top end of the circle. I've randomly put beads on some of them. Doesn't really matter. And then what you're going to do now is you're going to create your branches. So again, just pick up as many as you want to make a thick or bigger branch. So I've got some here, and what you do is you just twist them. So that's now my one branch with the different branches coming off it. And it's a little bit fiddly, but then you grab your others. Just move that bead up a bit. Again, twist, but then you also want to twist it in with your other one. Okay, so again, twist, connect it with your others, and twist. So you can see here's your trunk and here's your different branches. And then don't worry about if the beads aren't where you want them to be. You can always move them about later. And twist. Let's just move some of those beads. And again, you can just spread them out to where you want them. Twist these and twist around. Sorry, the shed door. Grab my last. Oh, it's quite fiddly. As you can see, it's such a simple thing, but it looks really effective. And you would probably spend at least £20–30 one of these in the shops, so it's really just not worth buying them. Okay, so now you've got your tree like so, and then what you're going to do is you're going to get a piece of string and you're going to tie the piece of string about here to keep this in place. So now what you do with the end parts is you want to attach them. So these are the roots, so go along, grab say 2 at a time and attach them like you attach the bottom. So what you do is you just create a little knot. Pull it tight, and there's your first root. So I'd recommend doing one on the left and one on the right just to keep it stable, because when you do the twist, when you let go it can untwist. So if you do your 2 anchor points as it was on the left and the right, go along 2 at a time again, so you do it all along here, and those will be your roots. Don't worry about where you've tied this, you can incorporate this into the design quite easily. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Some of them I did 2 together, some of them I did 3 and 4. So it looked quite nice, the different thicknesses of the roots. So this is what it looks like, and where I've tied it here, I've just tucked it in the back. So it's quite discreet. So yeah, it looks really effective, super simple. If you wanted to, you could wrap this string all the way around the ring so it's all completely white, or you can have the wood showing through. It's completely up to you. I quite like the wood and it goes well with the different wooden beads. So now you're left with quite a lot of length on the bottom, so it's up to you. You can either leave it like that if you like the look of it, or you can trim it into a V shape. So what I think I'm going to do is just trim down this way and this way, and that'll give a nice shape to it. So there we have it, the finished result. So there's lots of different ways of doing the tree of life. This is one that Louie's mom did. Again, similar design, but just executed differently. This one's a bit more intricate. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found it informative. We'll have lots more videos like it on the way. So please like, comment and subscribe, and hit that notification button and you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks guys!